Happy morning, respected director, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinator teachers, and around the active of your answer for today's school assembly, conducted by Grade-VI Topaz. Welcome to a brand new day full of new opportunities and possibilities. Let us look for the grace and blessings God already got by our prayer. And the Republic for which it stands for creation under God indivisible, His liberty and justice. For all who now I call legislation for the place.
India is a country. India is a country. All Indians are. All Indians are. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. Hello, my country. Hello, my country. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. It is. Yes, yes. And I will take it. I will take it. Right away. Right away. Right away. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I thank you, my parents. I thank you, my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all others. And all others. Respect. Respect. And it is one. And it is one. Equality. Equality. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge. I pledge. My devotion. My devotion. There will be. There will be. My prosperity. My prosperity. Alone life. Alone life. My happiness. My happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Shivakumar of Grade-VI Topaz. Now I am going to tell international and national news. International news. Tourists from Bhopal Killa served food by its car in Goa. National news. Supreme Court refuses to entertain pleas against Yellow GK web story. Thank you. Happy morning, everyone. My name is K. Shivakumar from Grade-VI Topaz. Now I am going to say state and court news. State news. Revanth Reddy and in globe with Andhra CM Naidu on Godavari water harvest now. Sport news. T20 World Cup Surya Kumar Yadav on a submission big debut up against South Africa. Thank you. A very happy morning to everyone. I am Jigani from Grade-VI Topaz. Here to present the thought. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So please, I repeat it again. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Good morning, everyone. Today is word is brought to you by K. Grade-VI Topaz. Word. Very good. It means unhappy. Please let's repeat after me. Very good.
Very good.
It means
Unhappy.
Thank you.
It's brought to you by K. Shivakumar of Grade-VI Topaz. Fact number 1. Light is from the sun. Takes about 8 minutes to reach it. Fact number 2. Atoms are mostly empty space. Fact number 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Fact number 4. Get to us is as hot as the surface of the sun. Fact number 5. Sex execute before trees. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Kevin from Grade-VI Topaz. Question for grade 1. What is our national bird? Peacock. Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is peacock. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. What is our national animal? Tiger. Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is tiger. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. When will we celebrate Teachers' Day? September 5. Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is September 5. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. When will we celebrate Children's Day?
November 14th.
Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is November 14. Let us appreciate them. He wrote some books like The River in the Nutshell in 2001. He answers to these questions in 2018. He died on March 14, 2008. Thank you. National temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny, precipitation 5%, humidity 29%, wind speed 8 km/h. Thank you. Thank you all for your attention and participation.